Drop me down!
I am going to unleash the fire and fury of my entire body and soul on every single living creature in this earth if I take 2 steps home without you in my tour.
You will not treat and talk to me with such disrespect.
My princess.
I said, let's go inside. I want to discuss something important with you.
What is the meaning of this? Respectfully step aside and let me pass, Enyimba.
No! You were betrothed to me at infancy.
Sonorous voice. Superb composition. I mean, impressive talent, my princess. Beauty is indeed beyond the sin.
You like it?
So much that it temporarily erased my curiosity.
I'd rather run and scream my lungs out to alert Uchenna about your evil plans than to lead you to him.
Stop! Stop! Listen! Stop!
Ah! Ah!
Please, whatever must have triggered Aima to act in such a dangerous way today must be something very serious indeed to him. I beg you, please, my prince. I'm not excusing his disrespect for the princess and the royal family. Please, your majesty, please. Thank the wise gods for sparing the life of our princess. Yes. Please, your majesty, I beg you. Returning anger and violence with anger and violence is not a thing of the wise and noble, your majesty. You are a wise and noble king, your majesty. My prince, you are a wise and noble prince, your highness. Please, I beg you. Reply Enyimba's rash action with noble and wise reaction befitting of your noble selves. Please.
What a contrast. All my life I have been told that nothing happens without your knowledge and approval, gods of my ancestors. That nothing happens without a purpose. What is the purpose of this one? Why did you bring such a gentle, talented and wise young man as Uchenna into close contact with me before my marriage to Enyimba is formally sealed? It is becoming so hard for me to keep hiding the deep feelings I have been developing for Uchenna. It is becoming very difficult for me to keep pretending that I still love Enyimba. It is becoming almost impossible for me. Please, help me, gods of our land. Please.
Your Highness.
I have improved, right?
Yes, but
I have a confession to make.
a confession?
I didn't compose the song for Enyimba. I composed it for you.
My princess, you composed the love song for me? Um, thank you. Thank you, my princess. But I do not think it's a wise thing to do. You are engaged to...
Oh, please, Uchenna, don't spoil this beautiful moment by mentioning his name.
I know that you're still very angry with Aimba over what you did to you the last time. You have every reason to be, especially given that he has refused to apologize to you. But please, my princess, do not let anger push you into doing something that is capable of rubbing your reputation in the mud. I mean, nothing can justify...
Uchenna, I did not compose a song for you out of anger. I did not do it to spite Enyimba either. Yes, a seed has been planted in my heart. But it was not planted by Enyimba. It was planted by you. The very day you brought him and I to this place. Only that I never realized it until it fully germinated. Uchenna, and it germinated with so much peace and...
My princess, please stop. Stop. Enough already. Please. Stop.
No,
my princess,
Uchenna,
please.
no! Uchenna, don't you feel anything for me? Look me in the eyes and answer me, please. Please.
My princess.
Oh, you Mother Nature! Oh, you spirits of the forest! Oh, you mothers of joy and love! Please look into my heart and grant me the fulfillment of my wishes. My mind is made up. Please help me to live my dreams in your benevolence. Feed my body and my soul with the peace of true love, His love. With my maiden's honor, I ask this of you. Please. Spirits of love, please. Please.
She's in love with me? How? Why? Is she not aware that with the kind of engagement her father and Enyimba's father got her and Enyimba entangled in at infancy, falling in love with me would be a journey of emotional foolishness on her path? The question she asked me, why? Why wasn't I able to answer it?
Uchenna, what is it?
Nothing, father. Nothing.
The mood I'm seeing you in speaks otherwise. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, father. I'm okay, father.
You can't tell me nothing is worrying you with this type of attitude.
Cause of our land, Save our kingdom from this evil. Oh, Makopaketo yana Wazico. Awanzenze. Makoke kitabanya kojeli awanzenze. Abaekali achirinde nitoku. Awanzenze. Owosia michiawai. Makanechiru babua. Awanzenze. Ebotu jimancha. Nganga buluzo. Odideso chiaya.
Don't you greet?
Greetings.
You have been avoiding me. I mean, you have refused to see me since the day you insulted me by obliging Ucha and your company. Is it that you don't realize that I deserve an apology for that insult?
Enyimba, please, I am not in the mood for any kind of discussion with you. Let me pass.
Are you mad? I asked you a question. Answer me.
You want an answer from me? Okay, hear it. I do not want to see you anymore. I do not want to come to your house. And mind how you address me. I am not your slave in any form or shape. I am the daughter of your king. I do not just deserve your respect. I demand it.
Obviously, you are not seeing very well. Or you forgot who you are talking to. I am not one of your guards in your father's palace. I am Aima, your husband to be. Obeying me is a right to me and a duty to you. Get that into your head and stop blabbing about your royal status.
Enyimba, I beg you in the name of your ancestors and mine. Let me pass.
It is a lie. It's not going to happen. Come here. You are going to my hut. Ah!
Lolo, Ogonna said she was going to take a stroll along the river side to clear her mind about a new song she's preparing. She should have been back by now. What is going on? What? Hugging who? Aima again?
Yes, Aima.
Aima again? What happened?
Just come and get it. I'm going to kill somebody now. I am going to kill somebody now. Stop. I said I'll kill somebody now if you don't step out of my way. Come and get out of my way.
Hey, I said stop him. Stop him. No. One more step from you, and I'll send you to the land of your ancestors. You brainless mountain of flesh and dead bones.
Your Majesty, are you seeing the person you are threatening very well? It's me, Enyimba, your own son-in-law to be. Enyimba, how dare you? I swear, with my princely honor, if I get you, I'm going to cut you into tiny bits and feed it to the leopard at the coven of Osowacha. It's alright. I will go, but bear it in mind that this is wrong. Absolutely wrong. On account of what I am to the princess, I have the same access right to this compound, just as I have to my own hut.
Not anymore. Not anymore. Not after the dangerous attempt you made on her life the last time.
Don't shoot. You people should have asked princess what happened rather than to...
Go ahead and marry whoever the new lady in your life is, Enyimba. Do not toy with my daughter's emotion in your bid to declare your intentions open. Ogonna has no problem with you leaving her or marrying someone else. Neither did the rest of us in the royal family. This is my last verbal warning to you. Stay away from my daughter.
I swear, my queen, there is no other woman in my life except Princess Ogonna. Please.
Liar. Bloody lousy liar you are, Enyimba.
My love, I am not lying. Even after the savage bite you gave me, I still come here because I love you.
And yet for over a week since you nearly killed me, you have never apologized or at least gone to check on me. And yet you spoke and treated me in the disrespectful manner you did a while ago. What manner of love are you talking about with all that?
What are you talking about? I am a man and you are a woman. As a woman, you're supposed to apologize to me no matter anything that happens. You're supposed to apologize to me. Soon I will be the man of the house in your life. Okay, I want to ask you, does His Royal Majesty here apologize to the Queen after dispute? Does he? We are the children of God, so you should get that.
If you are a man, pick any of these words from these guards and fight me. Including this gun. And fight me if you are a man. Fight me, Aima! Fight me!
Please, I am not...
Aima, I said fight me!
Please, Your Majesty, stop him. He is a warrior. A veteran of 7 wars with 14 human hairs to show for it. I am just a wrestler and not a warrior. Are you expecting me to fight you with a weapon and survive it? Oh, Malichan, please, go, come and stop your brother.
So you knew? You knew about all this and you're being so stupid and so stubborn? You knew? Onyeso, back down. Onyeso, back down. Back down, Onyeso, because this coward's blood in your hands will be a disgrace to your image as the prince and as a warrior. Back down, my son. It's not worth it.
Yes, I have accepted. I have Anwunu blood. In fact, a cockroach blood is even more better than mine. I have accepted.
Now you listen to me, Enyimba. As the biological father of Ogonna, I hereby postpone your marriage to her for 1 year. And within that 1 year, I do not want to see you anywhere around her or anywhere around the vicinity of this palace. That is a royal order.
I disagree with that. What? I don't accept that.
That's the royal order.
I said I am not comfortable with that order.
Get out.
It's a lie, Your Majesty.
Get out! Get!
Get out of my compound now. I am not in a good mood to discuss anything with you.
I know. Oh, yes, I know you are in a bad mood. You have a good reason to be. I saw what they did to you at the palace. From hiding, I witnessed the entire insult. Please, ODOGWU, give me your ears. I want to have a serious talk with you.
Go ahead and say it.
In this issue, ODOGWU, the royal family is wrong. You are right, ODOGWU. You are a man. Princess Ogonna should be the one apologizing to you. You are right about that, but please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. How can I calm down? With such insult right before my wife-to-be. Why should I not do something nasty to someone in the palace to redeem my honor? Udagboyin?
Because the whole thing is beyond what you are taking it to be. The goat is about to eat palm leaves on your head. What happened at the palace today is only but the beginning, ODOGWU.
Udagboyin, what are you talking about?
ODOGWU, I would rather show you than tell you.
ODOGWU. Show me what? When? How and where?
Soon. Very soon. I will tell you when the right time comes. Huh? I will see you when that time comes.
Udagboyin, I am sorry for what I did to you 3 months ago.
Udagboyin has forgiven you since long ago.
I followed my destiny, Ojamo. Now it has made way for me, Ojaike. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover. to me. Echere mgbe ndị mmụọ gbara ọjamo, ọjamo, ọjam ji enwe aṅụrị, ọjamo. Echere mgbe mmadụ gbara ọjamo, ọjamo, ọjam ji agwọ ọrịa, ọjamo. Afọlọ m lọvụ m gbara ya ọjamo, ọjamo, ọjam ji enwe aṅụrị, ọjamo. Ndị obodo anyị bịa nụrụ ọjamo, ọjamo, ọjam ji agwọ ọrịa, ọjamo. Chiahalụ m ọja ka m gbube n'obodo, ọjamo, ọjam ji enwe aṅụrị, ọjamo. Sweet melody in my heart, yo, ọjamo, ọjam ji agwọ ọrịa, ọjamo. Good melody in my heart, yo, ọjamo, ọjam ji enwe aṅụrị, ọjamo. Sweet melody in my heart, yo, ọjamo, ọjam ji agwọ ọrịa, ọjamo. I followed my destiny, ọjamo. Now it has made way for me, Ojaike. Thanks for the girls, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Thanks for the girls, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Echere mgbe ndị mmụọ gbara ọjamo, ọjamo, ọjam ji enwe aṅụrị, ọjamo. Echere mgbe mmadụ gbara ọjamo, ọjamo, ọjam ji agwọ ọrịa, ọjamo. Afọlọ m lọvụ m gbara ya ọjamo, ọjamo, ọjam ji enwe aṅụrị, ọjamo. Ndị obodo anyị bịa nụrụ ọjamo, ọjamo, ọjam ji agwọ ọrịa, ọjamo.
Love, why? Why love? Must it be her? Must it be someone like her? Another man's wife to be? How do I pull anything off with... Love, why? Why?
Uchenna! 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 Uche! Uchenna! Where's this one? Uchenna! 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 Uchenna!
Father.
It is about Princess Ogonna. Is that not it? Princess Ogonna belongs to Enyimba. Are you still aware of that?
Father, it is...
I have told you, Uchenna, to look for a maiden to marry. I did not ask you to jump blindly into an emotional pool of madness that will drown you without a trace. She is a princess. Her father is your king. Your own father is just a hunter. Enyimba is a wrestling hero who inherited enormous wealth from his late father. Who are you? Who are we compared to them? Uchenna, have you no brains anymore?
Father, please.
I do not want any further explanation on this. In fact, I don't want to see you and the princess ever again. Tell her to stop coming to my hut. And you, I don't want you to go to the palace for whatever reason henceforth. Shh. I have spoken.
My princess, what is the meaning of this?
You have been avoiding me in the last 5 days, Uchenna. Why? Well, I knew you would be passing this way, on your way to Mazi Onaka's compound to play for his mad son. So I came here to wait for you. Uchenna, what did I do wrong? Why have you been avoiding me?
Do you want to hear the truth, my princess?
Of course I want to.
All right. I have given it a deep thought. I mean, all of this.
Giving what a deep thought?
Our increasing closeness. My father was right.
Your father? What did your father say?
My father saw through it. I mean, he saw through it with the eyes of a man his age. He said that the kind of engagement you and Aimba had, our friendship would bring us nothing but pain, sorrow, heartbreaks. But my princess, I do not want that to happen. Listen, please, for the sake of your peace of mind, I do not want this to happen to you. Let's just...
Gina, please, don't even say it. You can't do this.
My princess, please, I beg you. Just give me space. Please, just stay far away from my heart. I have been trying to just give me space to tame my heart. I beg of you. Please, that's all I've been trying to do for the past 5 days now. Please, my princess. If you have any regard for me, please, I beg of you, do not try to make this whole thing difficult for me more than it already is. I beg you. Please.
God so for good yourself. Ogonna.
Mother, just go. Please go.
No, my dear. No. You came back looking all gloomy and refused to talk to me when I asked you why in the compound. And here you are crying. What happened? Talk to me.
Mother, he asked me to stay away from him.
Aimba?
No!
Who? Answer me, who?
Uchenna. Mother, I'm sorry. I never deliberately intended. Enyimba's recent disrespect pushed me. He pushed me, Mother!
Look me in the eyes and tell me you have not allowed Uchenna any intimacy with you.
Mother!
Answer me!
I am a princess, Mother! The royal tradition of Ogudasa Kingdom forbids me from having any form of intimate contact except with my lawfully wedded husband. I am a daughter of culture and tradition. Even in my worst moment of emotional meltdown, Mother, I will never travel that crazy route with any man. I am still a virgin.
There is a problem, my lord.
Problem? What is it?
Ogonna.
Ogonna? My own Ogonna? What? Don't tell me she's pregnant for Enyimba. In contravention of our age-long tradition?
Ogonna is still a virgin, my lord.
Oh. So, what is the problem? Is she ill?
She's in love with Uchenna. Ichi Azunna's son.
What? Did you say love? Love? Tell me you are joking. No. Tell me you are joking, Lolo.
I'm not joking, my lord. It seems she...
I do not want any speculation on this matter. No speculation. Whatever emotional entanglement she has gotten herself into, it must end immediately. Immediately. How dare Ogonna? In fact, I'm going to end this personally. In peace or in pieces.
Please don't smile.
Listen, woman. I will not entertain any differing opinion on this matter. And that's my final word on it. Love. Nonsense.
I followed my destiny, Ojamo. Now it has made way for me, Ojaike. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover.
You're so good with words. You know how to make me laugh. You know how to put me in the right mood.
Okay. That's because you're one in a million. Oh, you're the best.
You're the best.
You're the best.
You're the best.
You're the best. You know, I can't thank the gods enough for bringing you my way.
I bless the gods too.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I bless the gods for bringing you my way.
I just pray and hope that this will continue.
You say.
You say. You say.
Hey! One more step. I swear I will send you to your ancestors with this wood.
But what do you want from me? What is it again? My father asked you to stay away from me. He wasn't joking. Let me go or I will tell him and my brother... Let me go!
Ogonna, if you don't keep quiet now, I will smash you to death. Nonsense.
Please don't smash me. Please don't smash me. Let me go, Aima. Let me go. Aima, let me go. Let me go. Aima, let me go.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Get inside.
I'd rather die than enter that cursed house of yours. Let me go, you beast. Let me go.
I will not let you go. Get inside now, huh?
You just committed suicide, Enyimba. You think my father was joking when he ordered you to stay away from me? Harass me all you want here, but just know that you have dug your own grave. My great father and my brother Onyeso, the war hero of Ogudasa, they will behead you like a... They are here. Father, kill this animal. Cut off his empty head. Onyeso ODOGWU one name for daring to...
Shut up. Shut up, Ogonna. Shut your mouth before I strangle you with my own hands. Shut up.
Mother! Onyeso! Father, I just said he is...
Enyimba, take her inside. Take her inside and consider your marriage with her sealed at this point. As per the payment of dowry, you can come to the palace anytime you like. Any time of your choice. It is done.
That's my king.
Go ahead.
Father, you must be joking. This is a joke, right? Mother, he is...
Enyimba,
My queen,
don't keep me waiting too long for my Omugo visit.
I will not.
Onyeso one name...
Enyimba!
My prince.
Take her inside. The royal maids are on their way with her personal belongings.
Take her in.
No!
Don't embarrass
No,
yourself.
Mother, no! Don't take me alone! What manner of dream is this? Is this a kind of revelation from the gods or just my fear working on my mind? Whatever it is, I cannot allow what happened in the dream to become my reality. I cannot let it happen for real. I can't. Gods of my ancestors, help me, please. I can do nothing without you. My Chi. From the look of things, I need you by my side now more than ever.
My lord, Ogonna is not in her bedchamber.
Meaning what? When did she start leaving her bedchamber before breakfast time? When? Ozo,
Yes,
did you hear that?
Yes, Your Majesty.
That the princess is not in her bedchamber. What happened?
Your Majesty, the princess left the palace at the break of dawn. She said she is going to a nearby forest to work on her new song with the inspiration she got in her dream last night.
She said that?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So when did the princess start going to the riverside at the break of dawn? When did she start that?
Your Majesty, today is the first time she's doing that. Your Majesty, as much as I insisted, she refused to be accompanied by any guard or informer her personal maid.
Also, are you joking or what? I gave an order that on no occasion would the princess leave the palace area without at least 2 guards to protect her in case Enyimba comes back to molest her. And you're telling me this?
Your Majesty, she said she got your express permission to go alone.
What? Are you saying that the princess lied with my name? Lolo, did you hear that? Our own princess now lies with my name. Something serious is going on. Something very serious is going on. And if I find out that this is happening because of that so-called Uchenna, then that young man should be ready to go back to his father's house without some of his teeth.
That is
Yes.
not good for me.
Lolo. Just stay away from me. Leave my side before you two lose all your teeth from my own hands. How could that idiot make my daughter lie with my name?
Stop, please. What is this? You came to my compound and woke me through the window. You begged me to come outside. My princess, when I did, you asked me to follow you. From that point to this very place, you have refused to answer my question. My princess, why are we here?
I brought you here because this is the very place you brought me. And my eyes were opened.
How do you mean, my princess?
This is the very place you brought me. And my eyes were opened to the fact that you are the man that I truly love. You call this place your nature commune arena. But to me, it is more than that. It is the birthplace of my love for you. A sacred sanctuary for true love.
My princess, I ask a simple question. Why are we here?
I brought you here so that we can have a soul-to-soul talk.
Soul-to-soul talk with me? How do you mean?
Yes, Uchenna. And whatever you say to me right here and now, I will take it from the depth of my heart. Uchenna, do you love me? Please, look into my eyes with all honor and the truth that you have in you. Do you love me?
Yes, I love you, my princess. I love you with every beat of my body and soul. I do.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you too. I love you so much. Tell me, is there anything you cannot do for me or for my sake?
My princess, what are you driving at?
Just answer me.
Let's go. Where are we going? Let's go. Where are we going?
Let's go. Odogwu, let's go. Let's go.
Where is that?
Odogwu, not again, Odogwu, let's go. Huh?
Where boy? Listen, I am not. Leave. What is it? I am not going. You may have tried helping me when I was battling with mind infirmity. But that does not mean that I am a permanent mental case. Tell me where we are going, else I will not take any step further.
No, Odogwu. It is better you see it than to just hear it.
I want to hear it first.
Okay. Promise me that no matter what happens, nobody will hear it. Nobody will know or hear that I was the person that mentioned it to you. Even with the threat of death, I won't let you know about this until you promise me that nobody will hear it. That nobody will hear about this.
I promise you.
Not enough, Odogwu. Hold your manhood and swear that nobody will hear about this.
Are you okay? Mm-hmm. What is the problem?
Odogwu, when you are done shouting on me, hold your manhood and swear. Yes, swear.
I swear I will not tell anyone.
Right. Yes. Give me your ear. Success. If he sticks to his character of a strong man without strong brain, then only the gods will save Uchenna from him today. Only the gods. Only the gods. Yes. Only the gods can save Uchenna. Yes.
My love, look, there has to be some other way for us to do this. Love builds, it doesn't destroy. It gladdens and honors and not otherwise. My princess, what you're suggesting will only hurt the people we love dearly. It will dishonor your father, the king, and the entire royal family. It will tarnish the image of my own father. My princess, please, let us...
Obim, you just told me that there is nothing you cannot do for my sake. You said that you wish to be my husband. And I also wish to become your wife. But because of the peculiar circumstance that exists between Enyimba and I, there are two risky options that you have to choose from to make our marital wishes a reality. Option 1 is to elope with me immediately. Option 2 is to get me pregnant. Obim, please choose from one, and I am ready.
My princess! Please stop! Pregnancy before the completion of marital rite is a taboo in Ogudasa kingdom, my princess. I can't do that. For the love I have for you, there is no way I'm going to choose the pregnancy option because of the ugly implications. My love, for the love that we share, I am ready to take the first option. I will elope with you to any kingdom.
You will leave the kingdom with me and marry me wherever we elope to.
My love, I swear on my honor, as a man, I love you.
I love you too, Obim.
So you want to get...
Stop it!
If any of you lousy clowns step any further, I promise to tear her into pieces. Go and communicate.
Hey! What is going on here? Put her down! Put my daughter down now! Are you mad? Have you gone nuts?
How dare you, Imba? How dare you?
Are you okay?
What happened? Were you not expressly ordered to stay away from her? Were you not asked to stay away from her?
You people ordered me to stay off so that you can secretly marry her off, right? Is that not? You conspired with the Chiazonna to take away my betrothed wife. And you dare question me for disobeying this man. Are you sick in the head? No, it's something wrong with you.
Hey. Mind how you talk. Mind your language, Enimba. Mind your language. You're not talking to some commoners here. Now, what was that nonsense you were talking about?
Your Majesty, I caught Ogonna in an intimate entanglement with Uchenna inside the forest.
Ogonna?
Yes.
You can go ahead and lie to them that you caught me having sex with Uchenna. I don't care, Enyimba. I will never marry you. I hate you. I hate you so much. It is Uchenna that I love. And it is him that I will marry. I will never be a wife to an animal like you, Enyimba. Never. And I do not care what our tradition says about it.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Have you gone mad?
Let her be, Your Majesty.
Uchenna.
Who's this?
To love is not a crime in Ogudasaken.
Uchenna.
You survived! After everything I did to you, in that forest, you survived. And instead of you running for your day miserable life, you still followed us to this palace.
To an honorable man like me, Aima, love is not just a feeling. It is a spirit. And it is the spirit of the true love I have for Princess Ogonna here that protected me from your mother's hands. It is that same spirit that gave me the strength and courage to come here and lay claim to her. Princess Ogonna is mine.
It's a lie. She can never be yours. This is my property. Ucha, Ukum, Ifrania, Aram. She is my property.
Never. Princess Ogonna is too precious to belong to a brute like you with only bones and muscles and no brains. Aima, you are just a gigantic man without a corresponding gigantic sense. Princess Ogonna is a lady with unstained honor. She deserves a man who truly loves and cherishes her. And that man is me.
You lie! You, I swear with my late parents' grave, if we don't leave here this minute, I am going to kill you.
I am not living here, Aima. I am not living here without Princess Ogonna. Your Majesty, my prince, apologies that this is happening this way. I am here to ask for the hand of Princess Ogonna in marriage here and now. Let the injuries this beast here inflicted on me serve as the knocking wine. Please, Your Majesty.
What?
Yeah!
Uchenna.
The princess.
Lift my... Come! Lift my foot right now! I am taking you to your father's house!
Father!
Hey! What is going on here? Ichi Azuna, quiet! How dare you walk into my palace with a gun? Are you mad?
Your Majesty, I do not hunt as a mere pastime. You know it. My ancestors hunted down leopards and buffaloes many times over. I swallowed the insult from that grand buffoon and the likes of Enyimba, battering my son over your daughter 2 days ago, only because my son is silly by association. To me, he deserved what he got on that occasion. I am warning you, if the princess ever get near my son again, I will gun her down like wild animal. I am warning you, Your Majesty. If you love your daughter, let her stay clear from my son.
Azuna, I choose to swallow this insult you just gave to me because my daughter already insulted me by sneaking out of the palace to go and meet your miserable son. But let me tell you, let me warn you, if you dare this nonsense again in this palace, I will personally cut off your throat and that of that lout behind you.
Ucha, enough! Enough, all of you!
Are you talking to me?
Your Majesty, I said enough!
What?
The princess and I have had enough from all of you. I hope your gun is loaded enough to shoot me, father. And I hope your knife is sharp enough to cut my throat, Your Majesty.
Yes!
Because only death can stop me from marrying the princess. Only death.
Same here. Only death can stop me from becoming your wife. I would rather die than marry Enyimba or any other man.
Ogonna!
Now let us leave here right now. Let us leave right now!
is yet to come out.
No. Father, did you get what you went for?
Yes, as I expected. His father has not returned from dog hunting. So when I observed the fool leaving to go fetch water from the stream, I sneaked inside the house.
We have taken so many risks in planning what we are here for. But honestly, what you just told me is the biggest risk of them all. I mean, what if Uchenna had returned for one reason or the other? Why you are still in the house? Eh? Or even his father? What?
Well, they did not return. Did not return. And I have Uchenna's flute. I have Uchenna's flute. So we planned it. Give me the gun. Give me the gun.
Father, is there no other ways we can achieve our aim other than this bloody path?
Chode, even if there is, I'm not ready to consider it. Yes, Enyimba nearly drowned me.
No.
Yes, he disgraced me and he has to pay for it with his life. On the part of Uchenna, we lost only our source of income. So we'll do what we'll do to get him out of the way. Or hunger will wipe away our family out sooner than later. Is that preferable to you?
No.
Stop asking questions. Stop asking silly questions. Yes. And they concentrate. Yes.
Father, aim very well. Aim very, very well.
Wait.
Papa, he's coming. Papa, he's coming. Papa!
Deal with him! Beat him up! Beat him up! Hey! Hey! Stop! 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 I said stop! I said stop! Come here. Give me your hand! Come with me.
Come with you to where, Father?
I am taking you to Enyimba's house. Your marriage with him starts now. And you're not coming back from that house until you give him a male child.
No,
Come with
Father,
me.
No, Father, leave me.
Your Majesty,
Please, Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please.
Your Majesty, please. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please. Your Majesty. Majesty. Father, please beg Your Majesty. Beg Your Majesty.
I am begging you, Your Majesty. Whatever the thing is, we must resolve it. What I tell you,
Your Majesty, please. Please, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please don't take her, please. Please, Your Majesty, I beg you.
No.
Aima, what are you doing with my missing flute?
Uchenna, was your flute missing?
Yes, Father. When I returned from the stream, I discovered that my flute was no longer where I kept it.
They came to your hut and stole it while you are on your way to the stream.
And who are you referring to, Aima?
ODOGWU and his son conspired to kill me and frame you up by dropping this flute at the crime scene.
Father.
The plot failed and I reacted without thinking.
What do you mean you reacted without thinking otherwise?
Your Majesty, I was actually coming to your palace to plead with you to allow Uchenna here marry Princess Ogonna. They genuinely love themselves. I give her to you. And I am doing that without demanding anything from you or the royal family. The princess here is a beautiful and caring maiden. She deserves to be loved and treated with respect and dignity. The princess here deserves to live the rest of her life in happiness and joy. Only you here can guarantee her all that as her husband. Not me. Goodbye.
Enyimba, what did you do to Udakwenyi and his son?
Your Majesty, I sent Udakwenyi to his ancestors.
Hey!
After his son confessed their evil conspiracy to me, I also did the same thing to him. I am sorry for everything I did to Uchenna and the Princess Ogonna. As for Udakwenyi and his son, I have no regret killing them. They are dogs.
And where are you going now?
I am going to surrender myself before the youths of this kingdom. I am a murderer, Eburu Mochu, and murder has serious consequences in this kingdom. We all know about that. Goodbye.
Hi. Enyimba, you shouldn't have gone this far. Enyimba shouldn't have gone this far.
The greatest warrior,
Enyimba.
of this world. I am Aima, the greatest warrior, of this world. I am the cat of Okudasa kingdom. No man born of a woman